Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make jammy hard-boiled eggs. First, select fresh eggs for optimal texture and flavor. Before you begin cooking, prepare a large bowl filled with ice water. This ice bath is crucial for stopping the cooking process quickly. Next, bring a pot of water to a vigorous, rolling boil on your stovetop. This ensures consistent cooking from the start. Once your water is boiling, carefully lower the eggs into the pot using a slotted spoon to prevent cracking. Set a timer for precisely 6.5 minutes. This specific cooking duration is key to achieving that perfect jammy yolk. Make sure the water continues to boil steadily during this time, as fluctuations can affect the final texture of your eggs. As soon as the timer goes off, swiftly remove the eggs from the boiling water and plunge them directly into the prepared ice bath. Allow them to cool completely for at least 5 minutes. This rapid cooling helps prevent a green ring around the yolk and makes peeling easier. For the smoothest peel, crack the shell gently and peel the eggs under a stream of cold running water. Now your perfect jammy hard-boiled eggs are ready to enjoy. You can serve them immediately, perhaps sliced over avocado toast or a fresh salad. If you're not eating them right away, store the peeled eggs in an airtight container filled with cold water in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, ready for a quick snack or meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.